affects disproportionately the poor and the vulnerable people. The cities themselves are sinking. And then just the process of urbanization, a city that expands, it means flooding is more frequent. More and more days out of the year, various urban services are not functioning because of flooding.
It's a big, complicated topic, so we need to bring many different perspectives, many different kinds of expertise to bear on these questions.
The Southeast Asian Disaster Risk Insurance Facility thought that this experiment was worthwhile. They're one of the main sponsors of this event. That's exactly the type of project that we were excited to work on.
So Seadrif is a regional organization that's looking to share knowledge and expertise about flood risk.
As I am in the field of policymaking also, it has to be discussed in a holistic manner.
The event itself is really unique, testing out new ways of working, new ways of collaborating. It's pretty much the first field lab event, which lasts an entire month.
This format is very different to traditional events.
Traditional academic conferences don't actually allow you to be able to have that collaboration with as many people for as much time.
You know, at the core of financial protection from disasters is a good understanding of risk, of flood impact potential, and our opportunities for responding.
We decided to attend to improve the resilience of local communities in the Philippines.
It seemed like it would fit what I'm trying to do for my doctoral research, which is to study citizen design and post-disaster housing constructions.
We've been flying drones, sending people around with 360-degree cameras. We've tested new methods in machine learning and artificial intelligence. We've built a new kind of sensor.
New academic papers, new data sets, new models.
Decolonizing disaster science.
A warning signal can be sent to the communities downstream, telling them, okay, a big flood is going to come in a few hours.
A flood forecasting system.
Prototype development for the Seadrif online platform.
The flood level is up to here.
They spent a lot of time sort of understanding flood potential from their perspective.
So basically, she told me you would have 4 to 5 people like holding hands or tying a rope and walking together because you can't really see anything. The flood for her house came to here. This is her everyday life.
Events like this are really important because they represent a new way to produce knowledge. A lot of the ways that knowledge is produced right now is very focused on us sitting in our offices and our institutions that are very far away from the field and trying to collaborate or trying to build data sets or trying to find new ways to make our models work that can now often actually, especially in the space of being a disaster scientist, be quite isolated from the reality or be quite isolated from the way that people work.
This event and these kinds of events are really necessary. Confronting climate change and disaster risk is a whole of society effort.
Collaboration across disciplinary boundaries, collaboration across national boundaries.
I mean, I really hope that this will change how people think about floods, about new methods in flood risk modeling or flood data collection, that they bring home friendships and relationships and collaborations that they can carry forward. Without bringing these folks together, we're not going to be able to make meaningful impacts.